If your brother tastes like dog food because he's covered in it, you eat them. What are you doing? You gonna eat? Eat? Oh, good boy, Losie. Oh, good job, Evie. Chad, leave her alone while she's eating. She's not allowed to eat your sister. Okay, you're gonna end up getting chewed on. You guys are gonna. You smell like food. Hi, Chad. Were you trying to get my attention, buddy? Come here. Hi. What you doing over there? Ben, what are you doing? Hey, Ben. Ben, what are you doing back there? Hey, what's going on? Chad, you got your foot in the food. Dude, foot's in the foot. Foot's in the food. Oh, yeah. Now you're getting it. That yummy. You guys made a mess.